Good Chinese food is hard to find, so I decided I'm just gonna make it myself. So we are going to make some sweet and sour chicken. So let's whip it up. All right, I have my chicken, and so we're just gonna cube it into like 1 inch, I think. All right guys, I lost audio, so let's have some fun with a voiceover. We have cubed it. We're gonna season it with some salt, flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and baking powder. I will link everything below. Add in some water, looks good. And then for added flavor, I'm gonna use some Japanese barbecue sauce and some soy sauce. Mix everything together. Clean hands, of course. Dirty hands are no good. And then we're gonna set it aside. So for our sweet and sour sauce, we are going to add in some rice wine vinegar and some cornstarch. Don't forget the sugar. 1 1/3 cups of sugar, and then add in your ketchup and then mix it, mix it, mix it. Just mix it. All right. Take your chicken in a pot of oil. Make sure it's preheated, otherwise it'll just sit in there and get gross. Make sure it's sizzling, bubbling. Break it up if you have to. End result should look like this. So you're gonna fry it until it's golden. Serve it with some white rice. I drizzled some soy sauce on the top just because I like it. Itadakimasu. Oh yeah, see there? I surprised myself. It was really good. Try it. You're gonna love it.